Hey guys, I'm with Raymond's father today. What are we making today?
Siopao.
Siopao. And what is this, just pork?
Yeah.
Okay. Raymond, is this where you learn how to cook?
Yeah.
From your father? Yeah? Who's a better cook?
Of course.
Of course. Who? Father, okay. Yeah. He used to be a baker.
Yeah.
Yeah. Later, salt. All right.
Patis.
Patis. Is that soy sauce? All right.
Next.
All right. We got oil?
Oil.
All right.
Good.
Pork or coconut?
Oh, we're gonna have two different kinds.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. We're gonna have two different kinds. We're gonna have pork and coconut. All right, cool.
Neil!
Butter.
All right, we got water.
Two glasses?
Oh, yes.
2 glasses?
Yes.
Yes, this is yes.
It's called yes?
Yeah, opposite of no.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
What is that exactly?
Yes.
Yes.
But
No one knows what it is.
different feeling.
Salt.
All right. All right, we got sugar. I think Detective wants some.
1 kilo.
1 kilo? All right. This is flour?
Flour.
All right.
Make.
You wash your hands last 2 months? Last 3 months? Hugas mo kamot?
Yes.
Then again. No. You wash his hands last 3 weeks.
3 weeks ago? I think we need to start having some kind of protocol before we cook.
Yeah.
Wash our hands. Well, if they weren't clean before, they're clean now.
Yeah.
All purpose.
All-purpose flour.
1 kilo ni.
1 kilo.
1 kilo? All right.
Mix. Kayo kay mabasa ni di na ginatabang.
Kayo unaan ba?
Kana pwede na.
Papano.
Kasi nagkuha sa kulturan.
Oil.
Oh, it's a little
Technique.
magic trick.
Yeah.
Ito, mantika.
Kaya ba? Jandan.
Sana lang hiling. Sana lang hiling. Hoy, wala ka dire?
Ano, trabaho. 1, 2, 3.
And that yes ingredient we put in earlier, that's what makes it pluff up.
How about no?
No?
Yeah.
No makes it go down.
Smell.
Smell?
Smelly.
Oh! Why does it smell so bad? Is it not good?
Maybe.
Oh, it's horrible. Oh, does that mean it's not good?
Yeah, not good.
Oh man, we did all that work for nothing.
Yeah.
All right, we got one more coconut. Hopefully this one's good.
Yeah.
Hands in, hands out. Hands in, hands out. Be careful.
Thank you, Grandma.
No hands at the store.
Dua tadi. Oh, dako pa labad dua ka mo. Ah, kana lutuan na jud tinuod.
For you at home, this is called a baso. You're not Filipino.
I have a surprise for you.
A surprise?
Yeah, turn back.
Turn back?
Yeah.
All right, I'll turn around. What's my surprise?
Now,
Now?
turn around.
Hey!
That is a siopao.
Nice.
Coconut siopao.
Yeah, it's a siopao. Here.
Shaped like a siopao.
Why ketchup?
Na dito.
What's the
Itong
purpose
kondong
of
ba?
PS bro?
Ooh, watch your finger.
Yeah, nothing.
They don't sell those at the store.
Yeah.
Ali! Ah, bahala ka eh. Nalamigas.
Pwede na tayo kamay ko ah. Saka na. Bro,
That's for the coconut?
yeah,
Alright, so this one's for the meat.
yeah.
And then Raymunds making the one for the coconut.
What sugar? Okay, that's enough. Bro, I wash my hands.
Okay. This time we got it on video.
This is for tomorrow.
Alright.
The next day, this is good for 1 month.
1 month?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ready? Wash them really good if it's good for 1 month.
Oops. Slowly. Okay. Thanks. Push.
Oh, daghan lagi itong karne bro. Sobrang mo.
Okay, tayo pa man akong budget na
Lalo
to.
dito bro.
Budget ko raman kay. Okay. Ang dali luto.
Natakbo ka ni.
Batir. Tagsara man ni. Pula na mag-ani pod.
Ooh, we got a ant in there.
Oh.
Tagsara may kon.
That's for extra ingredients. To make sure we know which one we're gonna eat, we're gonna put little dots in the coconuts. And then the other ones we won't do anything to. We're just putting plastic on that?
Ito yung kwan. Kasi ito punta.
Waiting for a long time.
Yeah.
I'm very hungry.
We got some hungry people here, Raymond.
Pagkakuan mo mag-awas. Bus list. Pat lang.
Alright, the water's boiling.
Ano to ang kwan?
Me first.
Alright, the coconut's going first.
Yeah.
Like that.
And the meat is going on top of that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Only 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Okay.
Kaon mo basta pa tabunan. Ano to kulitanan?
Excuse me.
Oh, dia. Good.
Good.
Dagko na good na banto.
Alright guys, this is Siopao. We made it with coconut and the other one was with pork. Pretty easy thing to make. So you guys can try it at home. And if you don't have an oven, and if you do live in the province area like this, all you need is a pot and a fire. And when I lift this up, I'll just show them the how you did that. And all we did is put 3 cans on the bottom with water,
Yeah.
put that on top so it's not all the way immersed in the water, and then just put that on the fire and put the top on.
It's for a neighbor.
Yeah, we'll give that to the neighbors.
Yeah.
And as you can see, there's many mouths to feed. And this is delicious. So you guys take care. If you guys want to say hey in the comments, that'd be cool. And we'll see you guys next video. What?
What you like with coconut or what?
What do I like better?
Yeah.
Coconut or meat? They both are completely different, but I like the coconut.
Coconut for me.
Yeah. Anything with coconut, it's hard to beat. 'Cause it's like a dessert against the, you know, like a meal. So everyone's gonna pick the dessert. But alright guys, take care. We're gonna enjoy this, and see you next video. Alright, bye bye.
Wala ba yun na ko mas busy, wa ka unoy.
Beans, samras beans kay hinem kina.
Subag tigay subag.
Oo man.
Siguro beans be. Kari kang beans be.
Tapos mga si
Yo.
No ketchup.
si Beans, guys, Beans subag, tigay tos Beans subag sa kabaon niya.
Dara ka beans oh. Beans.
Beans. Sabay clear ko na.
I have one.
No ketchup.
No ketchup.
No ketchup.